Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about solutions for friends who encounter failed to login error in Fall Guys game. So let's get started. The lack of game frameworks on your computer can create various errors in the game. For this, let's download the library files in the article and install them on the computer. Since I have Framework installed on my computer, I cannot perform the installation. If you do not have it installed, you can start your installation process. Let's save the DirectX installation file to the temporary file. Then, type the term I wrote in the video on the start search screen, press enter and find the DirectX file and run it. After completing the processes successfully, we can restart the computer and check if the problem persists. Internet connection problems can cause many errors. If you are experiencing slowdown or disconnection in your internet connection, let's give a few suggestions to fix it. Type CMD in the start search screen and run as administrator. On the command prompt screen, type the lines of code in the video respectively and press enter. After this process, you can open the game. If the problem persists, turn off your modem and turn it on again after waiting 20 seconds. During this process, your IP address will change and will prevent various network problems. If the problem persists, we can eliminate the problem by registering another DNS server on the computer. Let's apply the process we did in the video. I hope the suggestions in the video led to the solution of the problem. You can subscribe to support the channel by liking the video. Thank you for your support.